So I haven't really had a lot of time to tell you guys about my brand new book, Everyday Grand, because life has been a little hectic. It's been a little crazy. You guys know about some of the stuff I've had with my family the last year, and I really appreciate all of your prayers and your support. And, it's been kind of crazy because it's overshadowed some of the joy I really have for this project that took me 2.5 years to create. And so I haven't really had a moment to celebrate that, but I am really excited to share that with you. My new cookbook, Everyday Grand, y'all, is out in literally 1 month. And this book means a lot to me because I wrote it during a time when I needed to sort of reprioritize what was important in my life. I was going through a moment where I was trying to figure out how to continue to be successful, but also figure out what success meant to me. And sometimes we think success comes from the things that we have, that people give us, that people share with us, the accolades, right? We think that's what success is. And when my dad got sick, I realized that I wanted to be more present. I wanted to be more present for my daughter, for my husband that was sick. Yeah. Wanted to be more present for the people that mean the most to me. And Everyday Grand came out of that principle that I didn't need to really just focus on the holidays, that I needed to focus on every day, that every day had something special, that every day meant something. And you guys know I love food. That's what I'm about. I started Grandbaby Cakes 10 years ago because of my grandmother, and she was my muse. She taught me the love of family. She taught me the love of food. She taught me the love of bringing the people that were most important to me around the table. And for 10 years, I was able to give you guys those recipes, give you guys a piece of me. And this book is another piece of me because I think this book is the most personal thing I've ever done. It's the book that when I think about who I am, how I've grown as a person, this book represents that. And I want people to feel happiness and joy and celebration when they open this book. There's a couple photos I'll share with you. I know I'm being long-winded, but I really wanted to get this time to really talk to you about why this book is important, and I hope that you will support it. This picture is my family. So this is my mom right here. This is my aunt. This is my cousin. And this is my baby girl, Harmony. And this book is all about legacy too. So if you know about Grandbaby Cakes, it's all about the passing forward of generational recipes, but also that love, that comfort. And these women shaped me, and we're all shaping this little one right here. And so when we were making this book, this picture was super important to me because all of these women came together to support me in this moment. And I feel like this was like, with my grandmother passing away in 2018, this was kind of like a moment where we were able to honor her and continue that legacy of Grandbaby Cakes. And when we talk about the book itself, it's got over 80 recipes in it, y'all. Like 80 brand new recipes. Every recipe in here is delicious, okay? Like seriously, absolutely delicious. But it's also a recipe that makes you excited about being in the kitchen, right? Like it doesn't feel like a chore. Like you feel excited about cooking through this book. You feel excited about baking through this book. And you feel excited about figuring out ways that you can celebrate every single day, right? So I give you guys some tips. For instance, hey, you got an A on your exam, or your kid did, or you had a good hair day, right? It's really that simple, and it's really that small. And from those moments, you can find something worthy that you can make special, right? We need to all figure out ways that we can connect with people and make those moments special. So what do I need y'all to do? Let's get to it, right? I'm not going to even play around. I need you guys to support this book. For years, so many of you guys asked me, when are you writing another book? When are you writing another book, Jocelyn? And I didn't feel like I was ready to write another book because I didn't feel like I had anything to say. So I didn't want to just put out a book that I wasn't passionate about. And I finally had a topic that I was ready to talk about, which was how we could really truly celebrate each and every single day of our lives and inject every single day of our lives with joy and, you know, just with family and fun and happiness. And so that's what this book is. It's available in exactly 1 month. And I need you guys to support. Make sure that you pre-order. You will hear this over and over. Pre-orders are truly, truly, truly so important to the success of a cookbook, any book nowadays, because it really means that people are interested in that topic. And as a Black woman in the culinary field, you know, it is crucial that I continue to be an example for other Black women and other women, period, who are trying to, you know, build careers in this industry. And I want to continue to be an example of what is possible, and I need your help. If you love my recipes, if you're always asking how you can support me, this is the way. Like, I'm gonna drop the link, y'all, and I need you to support. Buy a book for you, buy a book for a friend, buy a book for someone that you love. You know, it's also a good read, okay? If you don't cook nothing, okay? If you like my friend Tisa and can't even microwave, can't even make rice, you can still read this book. It's a great read out here, okay? Great read. So thank you guys so, so much. I'm very happy, I'm very proud of myself that I was able to write another book. Like, I'm an author times two. So thank you guys. Please check out the book. Please support. I really appreciate it. That was